Go, 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 heal, 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 make
Can't
sure
see
you're
it's too
healing.
white. Yeah.
They've sent in a lot of people to the right side. And it's on the left, by the way. Turns left, turns left.
Yeah, objectives on the left side.
I got one.
Wait. I knew it.
Let's take mid, take mid.
Yeah, I knew it.
They got
Our door's open,
right
our
side.
door's open, our door's open. Decode, stay alive, decode, stay
Clear him
alive.
first, clear him first.
Yeah, focus on killing.
Watch out, on our far right, far right, far right, far right.
Gosh dang.
Behind us on our
Take out
spawn,
it.
behind us on our spawn. They pushed all the way to our spawn from right side. Guys, we let them
How
get
many's
behind
on
us.
your How many's on your right side, Goro?
Like 5. Now they're rotating the term. They peeled off.
Alright.
Decode, don't follow me, don't follow me, go mid.
It's truly an aim game right now.
Flush, let's make sure this is clear.
On
Okay.
mid.
I got you.
Let's get behind him.
What about those buttons?
Damn,
what are the buttons
We
looking
weren't supposed to tell them we were here.
Watch behind us.
like? Here, rally my let's rally up.
We had the button control, but it's
Get ready?
they're
3,
they're now
2.
pushed up to our spawn. They're
Actually,
already.
they know we're here. What? You know, over here.
That's
Come
what the
over here,
buttons
come
are.
over
That's
here,
that's
drop.
literally what buttons are. They're talking about that right now.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, it's closed.
You ready?
This they lied to
close.
us. This isn't a hard point, Chris. It's literally the
It
same
is.
base.
What they
This
It
is,
they
moved.
just changed?
did it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
just
moved.
moved. It didn't even tell
We
us.
can't go through. Oh, we can now.
I couldn't even go through that, yeah.
You go get that guy. Get unit.
I'm dead. Invisible. Right
Couldn't even
side.
shoot.
Got it, got it. Thank you.
Good lord.
They've still got people on buttons.
Go on the buttons. Let's see here, what can we do? What can we do?
I'm crossfiring.
Yeah, let's go on the right side here.
These crits are.
Stay together, heal.
Just push up, Miguel.
Invisible, I'm behind you, I'm behind you. Plush, wait for somebody to come with you.
On me, Miguel. Get ready to get behind him. 3, 2, 1.
One's on left. Vigo, watch out.
Okay, we killed 2 mid.
Whoa. That was laggy. There's 3 coming on the right side.
Behind us, Miguel. Behind us, Miguel. Damn it, I'm gonna get killed.
Dude, what? Where is this guy coming from?
Can't shoot.
Miguel, on your left.
Let's see.
Okay, I got 3 on my flank, but I
On this
never.
Try and go to Vince again.
If you're going right side, push all the way up. Don't just go for mid.
We killed
No.
one on the right side. There's
Somebody
another
heal
on
me.
the- Make sure you stay together, heal.
Oh my god. Okay, the buttons, I know what they do.
Go.
Okay, get ready to push this
Yeah,
guy.
people
3,
on
2, 1. Go for it. Go,
left side.
go, 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 go. Just shoot, just shoot. Keep shooting.
I drained one mid. It's found on the right side again. I mean, left side. We don't have
Yeah, it
those
is.
buttons, do we?
No.
The button, okay, the buttons, they block the far left.
I've already
Vents.
explained what they do. Just try
Yeah.
to keep
Oh,
ours
yeah.
green.
One guy's below us. Get him.
Guys, if you're low, stay in cover until you get healed.
There, got him.
I'm lagging now.
You get
Careful. Let's just make a move.
Vigo.
We're on this there.
Gotta push it now.
Go, go, go.
Gapping. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
close.
get this guy. Just push it, just push it.
Close.
Yeah, you have to use the first one.
Got it. What? Did not.
No, it didn't gap.
We almost had, we had it fully capped. It didn't do anything though. It was.
Go. I push from the outside. Oh, there's three.
Yep. They're
Yep,
pushed
go.
out. They're pushed out.
Got one. Let's go. Push this down, push this down.
Go, 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 yo,
He-
yeah, yeah.
What he got? Get that one guy. No, don't push him alone. Don't push him alone.
Killed one. Sorry, I didn't even know he was behind me.
Okay,
Thought you
guys,
died.
there's no point in going mid. If you're pushing mid, you need to get out of there. You need to push
It's
aside.
mid.
It rotate, yeah.
Like,
Like, on the
I mean,
right
I mean,
side,
going
yeah.
straight into the middle of the map. They have such heavy crossfire, it's not worth it.
Yeah, you gotta pick a side.
Come on. Kill, come back here.
Decode
Oh,
on
come
me. Heal me, decode.
Oh gosh. Kill this guy real quick.
They've got
They're
right
holding
side.
on the right side.
Yeah, they've
Okay.
completely got it.
Try going on the left side.
I am. One guy's on me.
Go on the left side, guys.
I got him.
Watch out behind you, Chris.
I got one left. I'm shooting right.
Alright, good.
I don't have an angle. Oh my god, I'm dead. They respawned their whole team.
What?
Yeah, they respawned. They were flawlessing us.
That's bullshit. Why are they doing this?
Really, just taking advantage of that.
That's literally insulting.
I'm not gonna put worry too much into it. I'm lagging so bad.
Hold.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's see, what else? Miguel and or the front of you. Oh, it's on the right side now. Let's try this.
Oh my god. Okay. That was...
Rally up, rally up, rally up. Four, I'm coming to you.
Is
Let's
there
check
someone
out.
here?
I thought.
There's one behind us. He's here.
Instead of like pushing and getting killed, guys, maybe you guys can try to get together. Watch out in
Here,
front of us,
Miguel.
right side. In
Wait
front
for
of us,
you.
right side.
Come on.
Heal, heal, heal.
Left side,
Go,
shoot
go,
right.
go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Korov, there's one guy in front of you.
He's dead.
Nice kill.
Oh,
Give us
pocket
Korov.
me,
Give
shoot
us
right.
Korov. Korov, there's two behind you. Two of us behind you. Just wait up. Just wait up.
I'm
You go
gonna
shoot
push
right
out to
with me, go.
mid. Watch out mid.
Miguel, heal, 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 heal.
Two mid, two mid.
Oh my god. I'm going right side.
Push. This guy's one shot. I killed him.
Just stay there, Chris.
Alright.
Watch out, Chris.
I got one. That guy was one shot.
Miguel.
He's one shot in front. In front.
Ollie's dead.
Go ahead and play it, miss.
Taker's dead.
Watch out behind you, Miguel.
Alright,
Tempers.
shoot from it.
Oh, that was invisible. Sorry, I misread that.
Heal me, heal me. Go, 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 go. Let's go, go, go.
Gotta
Around,
always
round,
send 'em.
round. Get their sides, get their flank. There's three left. There's three
there's
left.
three.
Pull.
It's on left. It's on left.
Someone crossfire from pool if you can.
Got you. Go in. There's one up here. He's dead.
Go up, I'm coming to you.
Is there a particle?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
die.
there's a particle. We have to go back. Let's go.
Boom.
3, 2, 1.
What
Come
the-
on. Just midi.
I already knew that guy was there, Chris.
There's one.
I
Just
was
midi. Come on.
trying to shoot for you, but I couldn't.
Okay,
I
now
have
clear this
no
one guy.
Problems. Good cap.
Nice.
Never
Kill
fall.
MVs. MVs, what? Oh, okay.
Miguel, I'm behind you. I need heal. I
Okay,
need
clear
heal.
this guy.
Decode. Wake up, man.
We're getting cleared. There's one. MVs. You end up.
Let's push this guy. I'll pocket you. Kill him.
No, you just need right
One
side.
shot.
Spawn, gotta reinforce quick. Come on. Hurry. Yeah, just go. Wait. Come back. Oh my god. No. Come back. Rotate.
Watch out mid.
This door on the far right.
It's
Did it
so
rotate?
low.
What?
Yeah, it's on
They
left.
need to make a rotation indicator of some sort.
Mhm.
It means your hitbox must be huge,
Okay,
bro.
okay. Let's midi it. Wait for MVs. Wait for the rest. No medi. Sorry for the boss. Okay, just midi into vents.
Alright.
It's mid. Come on.
Go.
Just come in.
Go on this first one.
3. Wait, it's not a good idea. No, all on crossfire.
We're gonna need it. I don't think that
Wait.
down there is open.
Go back down. Wait,
It's not.
you can still shoot.
Heal invisible. Invisible's like one shot. We're gonna have to go back, guys.
Yeah,
Make a move.
We can
There's
push now.
mid right now.
probably 2.
Okay.
What the hell?
Let's fine. Heal each other.
Oh man.
Unless you
Got a
won't be able to get
crossfire.
to it.
We need
Ow.
right side. We have left. We just need right now. 1D go. Let's go. Go right. 3, 2, 1. Come on.
Go.
Let's cross. No, don't need to shoot back. Just cross.
Come on.
Okay, they push us here. Big mistake.
What? That guy's yellow. Where'd he go?
Tico,
I can't shoot
kill
him. Come on, Dico. Win that. He's one shot. They traded. My finger hurts. One on the right side of our spawn.
Go on. You just need mid now.
Wait,
Oh,
no.
come on. I just died.
Bro, they keep respawning people.
He rotated left.
Alright.
Okay.
Right now we're taking the right side.
Damn.
Keep pushing, Miguel. Come on.
Were you unable to join, did it?
Yeah.
Where are we getting crossfire from? We're getting crossfire right.
Kill
Maybe
each other.
then- Oh, never mind. It's fine.
That was LS. There. That was lag.
It's fine.
I don't know if
We
we
need
can
to
go
clear
through
the
this.
outside
Maybe-
and the inside. It's literally. You have to go now. You have 10 seconds.
Okay.
No.
Nope.
Locked.
Yeah, it's GG.
Yeah. Let me get a screenshot.
Be like
GG.
that.
They usually defend. They usually offend
It's
with
fine.
meat every time. Them, not like